Hi, this is Jacinta from Cinta Crochet Collection. If you're new to crochet, this video will guide you on the basic tools you will need. Let's get started. Yarn, hook. We will talk more about the yarn and hook in our upcoming videos. Tape measure, scissors for cutting the yarn, tapestry needle for seaming and sewing in loose ends, stitch markers for marking stitches, and I would advise that you get a notebook to record your important ideas and patterns. As you can see, it's very easy to forget. Please like, comment, and share this video. There are more videos coming, especially for beginners, so please subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.